Welcome to Northscapes SJDM Bulacan, kung saan nagsasama ang smart living and modern comfort. At home na home ka dito. Located sa Barangay Kaypian, Yakal, at syempre, 100% flood-free. Yes, wala ka nang aalalahanin kapag umuulan. Safe, pati ang favorite shoes mo. Imagine, mas mababang kuryente, mas maraming budget for milk tea. Solid, di ba? Meron ding free e-shuttle around the community. Eco-friendly, convenient, at social tignan. Pasok tayo sa Salana Townhouse and Unit, a perfect blend of space at style. You get 100 square meter na lot area, 70 square meter na floor area. It has 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath. Perfect for the family. Super accessible pa. Malapit sa churches, municipal hall, hospitals, schools, SM San Jose, Star Mall San Jose, at soon na MRT 7. Weekends, mas enjoy dito. Meron tayong clubhouse, basketball court, pocket garden, at syempre, ang crowd favorite na swimming pool. Pang-relax after a long weekend. So ano pang hinihintay mo? Smart living, modern comfort, at exciting na future. Nandito na lahat sa Northscapes SJDM Bulacan. Your dream home, handa ka na bang i-claim?